All right, let's try this again. That's slightly better. Let's try to move it. All right, that kind of works. I upgraded the app. No. We're not doing a new product. Good. I'm glad it's better. No, I'm not switching streaming platforms. If Periscope doesn't work, that's just it for streaming. Because Reddit's a waste of time. No, there's a new product. It's Monday. Is today Monday? Does it look like Monday? You know what? I'm happy with the CEO. I'm never going to deal with hiring people or managing people again. I hate that shit. I'm not really a fan of people, you know? I like technology. Technology's pretty cool. So I got a few things to your George Hotz signed box. That's right. We did box. No, I'm not even doing marketing today. I just have two kind of cool things to show off for research. How Eon and new product share the exact same code base. So don't worry about that. Eon will be supported for exactly as long as new product is supported. Get off, don't type while openpilot's driving you. Get off your phone. Level 2, bros. Level 2. Who's tired? This guy's tired. Yeah, I'm an engineer. That's right. Can you have statistics? What do you want statistics about? Miles on autonomous mode? Yeah, I think we might have some of those. Let me see what I can do. Well, I don't want to show you all of these. I don't know why it was broken that day. Some of these I can show you. Let's do last 6 months. So these are daily miles driven. This is our graph of daily miles driven. So you can see that it's up around, do about 14K miles per day. So that's pretty good. And then, yeah, so that's about 14K miles per day. And then I'll show you the other graph. So this is percent miles engaged. I don't know why that looks like that. It doesn't usually look like that. This is broken, I think, but it's not too broken. So we're engaged about 50% of the time. So about 50% of the time, openpilot is actually doing the driving, miles-wise. So we do about 7K autonomous miles per day. Cool. But yeah, no, so I have two things to show you today. First off, this. So this is what we're going to be showing off. We were hoping to have a maps launch ready by the thing. Oh, bro, I don't know about that stuff, but you can check out the maps. They're kind of beautiful, right? Yeah, you see the lanes? So these are all the things they're localized, and the zipper still has major bugs in it we got to figure out. But so you can see these are all the org features that are being used, all these bluish dots. Yeah, and this is just like, what resolution will the maps be? We're trying to make them accurate to 10 centimeters. So you can see like these lanes have a lot of spread and variance, but the average of the lanes is quite good. Because you can see that it is Gaussian. So you have Gaussian distributions on these lanes. We can improve the zipper and fix this a little bit. Yeah, I mean, nav on AP. Tesla's 6 months to a year ahead of us. They always have been. And just, unless they stumble, there won't be a change. Look, you can see, look, someone changed lanes here. You can see this lane change? See the lane change? Yeah, hopefully. If the map's done, we'll release it at the end of the year. So you guys know, to everybody who works at a mapping company, oh, what are the maps gonna... Ask not what maps can do for you, but what you can do for maps. That's right. Does Shifter Plus use front camera? If you turn it on, guys, Shifter Plus and openpilot are the same code base. The only difference is that Shifter Plus is read-only. It doesn't output anything to your car. Gold star miles. Yeah, we have that internally. Yeah, someday we'll expose it. I don't know, guys. I work in research now. I don't do any of that stuff. I'll show you this other tool I was playing with. That was pretty cool. So this tool lets me visualize episodes and what the model was seeing. And give it a little bit. You made what? Tool? Don't be racist. Look at these little episodes, all right? So you can see this episode. So this is just 5 seconds of driving up the highway. Oh, you're hacking my computer? You're banned too. No more hacking for you. Who's high? I'm not high. Who's bra? You talking about me? You want to be banned? Everyone's getting banned today. Look at this shit. Look at it. All right, so that's like the path over time. So this one, it works pretty well. But we can see ones where it messes up a little bit more. So let's wait for the next one to load. And these let you explore in terms of 5-second episodes. So you can see that, it goes around a turn, does pretty well. Well, yeah, so right now the field of view is just the red rectangle. But Big Model uses the whole thing. So let's see what we got. Can we build maps from night logs? Yeah, we build maps from everything. I don't think we exclude the night ones. I don't think it matters that much. I mean, most of the alignment stuff is done. Oh, look, you can see a little bit of behavioral cloning here. That's because the user shifts a little to the left in the lane. You started some DIL code. Exciting. Yeah, let's see what that goes. Yeah. So we have maps. Beautiful. Maps. So this is only one, we're using S2 tiles. So this is only one S2 tile. And you can see this side, the processing's broken. But that one's not. It's hard to get this stuff to work well, but we'll do it. People always, that's a stupid question. Okay. Why do people matter? Explain this to me. Like, you asked that question, hang on. So I think you asked that question as like a proxy question for how productive is research. I have no idea why you think number of people correlates with productivity, right? The number doesn't matter. I think that we might have the first real release of like large-scale HD maps. I don't think other companies have this. And, we did it with nothing. We did it with nothing because we're smart. We think about it. At what point might new hardware be on its way to data? No, it's not. I know it's not your intention. Don't worry. You're not banned. The ban hammer is coming out today, though. I'm really in a banning people kind of mood. What are you doing with the map? Well, we're making it beautiful and precise and accurate. No, you know what the idea is, right? So right now we have a level 2 driving system, and there's always going to be level 2. Have you gotten feedback from other companies? Do I look like the kind of guy who asks some people for feedback? Oh yeah, feedback. Might as well read the internet comments. Oh, that's what I'm doing right now, don't you think? Doesn't it look like that? Wow, I'm reading the internet comments. You guys are internet comments.
Mapping the whole world is a big job. Yes, for computers. For people, we just write the code. We don't write bad code, and then we run it. It's a big map reduce on the world. It's literally a map reduce, and it makes a map. See what I'm saying? Does big model incorporate time? Little model incorporates time. Little model uses 10 frames of context. You are Scopies, that's true. You're not random internet commenters. I know some of you. But yeah, so mostly I wanted to show off this map and this tool. Not only am I not worried about other companies stealing my maps, they won't even be stealing, right? Like, this is a stupid way to think about it. Like, okay, let me tell you something. If you have a diamond ring, right, on your finger, and somebody steals your diamond ring, you no longer have a diamond ring. If we have maps and somebody else uses our maps, guess what? We still have maps. Nothing was stolen. The world just got better. Intellectual property is the biggest, like, do you understand what? Okay, all right. This isn't Twitch. This isn't Twitch. We're not going to go off on rants like that. But no. I'm so not concerned about companies stealing my map. We're going to give the maps away free. I'm not sure yet. I think we're going to do something like Creative Commons attribution, because I do like the idea of everybody using them, having to stick comma.ai in there. I do kind of like that. So we might reserve that right. Just you got to say, like, yo, man, comma.ai is lit. Go to shop.com.ai, buy our products. Liability? Oh, no, I'm definitely disclaiming all that shit. Don't use this map for anything. I don't even trust that. If you look at the map and you're epileptic and it gives you a seizure, I'm waiving all that liability. That's on you, man. So yeah, maybe we'll do that too. Maybe that'll be. Can we do the maps under the MIT license? No, but I want attribution. Does MIT license have attribution? I don't even know. OpenPilot, I care a lot less about attribution, but I don't want like Google using my maps without like sticking. No, Google won't use my maps. Google actually has good maps. But, losers might use the maps. And I want them all to be like, yeah, them comma.ai's maps. All right. Let's read this MIT license. Yes, the above copyright notice should be included in all substantial parts of the software. Excellent. Perfect. People thanking you about the quality of the maps. Yeah, the maps will be pretty high quality. They'll be as high quality as anybody else's. Especially, so we're doing highways first. Yeah, we'll make it downloadable. How can your device control the car? Bro, read the code. I don't know what to say about that. Yeah, let's look at it more. Map. Are we still focused? I don't know what that means. Yes, you always have to keep your eyes on the road. Yes. Level 4 is a scam. It's sad that we only have this one little area. No, well, we also have this. Oop, can't show you that. We haven't got any sales yet today, though. It's true. Has anyone approached me from Bosch? Let me tell you. So, first off, I'm not CEO anymore. If somebody from Bosch wants to approach the new CEO, he might be a little more kind. If somebody from Bosch approached me, I'd be like, okay, for everybody else, they're free, but for you, $10,000. Pay me $10,000, and then you could use the maps. You can also use the maps for free, but if it would make you feel more comfortable paying me money, you can pay me money. No. The maps aren't for you to look at. They're for openpilot to look at. And no, you can't look at the maps while you're driving. I don't know. No, it hasn't really gotten better. I know where I'm going. Yeah, we can show you this stuff as well. Yeah, they can buy some. I don't know, man. If the new CEO is going to do scammy business models like this, I'm fine with it. Wait, what? Oh, there we go. Okay, cool. Yeah, so this is like the whole Bay Area. So like
all of that stuff you saw in that one little area, we have for the entire thing. We just haven't, you know. Well, there's a few issues with releasing Map Explorer. Apparently these tiles are, yeah, of course, USA only. We love America. Apparently these tiles, the terrain tiles are loaded from Cesium, and you have to pay a lot of money to license them. So we're gonna like try to put it on Mapbox or something. I don't know. Yeah, that's bad. Oh, that was so nice. So nice. Look, you can see the lanes people drove in. Is there hasn't been driven? Yeah, we'll eventually do that. You guys want to see model bugs? We can find model bugs. I have a cool list of model bugs we can look at too. Yeah, see, look here. You see that? You see that span? But you can see why it's happening. The model there, yeah, starts to predict the lane change. So first it's saying go straight, and then it's like, no, you want to change lanes, right? So you can see this behavior here as the model eventually gets to a point where it says go straight when it's trying to pull you back into the lane. Can you get Lyft or Uber drivers to map for me? Well, this is the debugging model tool. All right, so I can show you guys, you want to see the list? See my official research list. LiDAR, SNPE, and DIL. That's what's on my official research list. We should write official research list. We also bought these new markers. If you remember me getting angry at markers on previous ones, they're a little scary and intimidating looking. So let's do official. Oh, this is so solid. Research lists. It's an ordered list. No, it's an unordered list. Look, it has dots. It doesn't have numbers. It's an official research list. But guys, but actually eons aren't sold out yet. We actually have 2 eons left. Let me bring up this webpage and then I can show it to you because I can't show you the pages in the meantime. LiDAR is a scam. No, look, I mean, look, man, that's a thing. You know, maybe sometimes when I say things, like, I like to say things that are provocative because they get the people going. But the truth, when you say something like LiDAR is a scam, there's a 1-hour conversation behind that actually talks about a lot of nuance, right? So whether LiDAR is a scam, LiDAR is not a scam, what is this? Is this like two-team politics? The truth about LiDAR is there's 2 worlds we're potentially living in. There's one world where LiDAR technology becomes cheap and ubiquitous before computer vision gets good at perception. There's another world where computer vision gets good at perception before LiDAR can be mass marketed. I think we live in world 2, right? I think we live in a world where perception is actually already almost as good as LiDAR. And, you know, the only, like, this was not true, obviously, in 2007 when they were doing the DARPA Urban Challenge and stuff, in DARPA Grand Challenge. But today things are different because we have deep learning. Okay, cool. Yeah. 2 eons. Buy eons. We have 2 left. I don't know. That's it. That's most of today's Periscope. It's going to be a short one today. It used to tell me how long I was scoping for, and now it doesn't say that anymore. Can you recommend your chair? Yes, this chair makes you a better gamer. Yes, it makes you a better gamer. No, but yeah, I know long scopies are over. Scopies are on their way out. Why buy an Eon instead of new product? Eon, when new product comes out, it won't work as well as Eon because we have to train models using new product. It's pretty much the same stuff. There's 2 left. There's 2 eons left. Yeah, there's 2 eons left. Steer down to 0 for Civic. I mean, you know how to do that. I'm not helping you with that. You know what you have to do. Three people. Let's chill for things. Look at that. Look at that model. Yeah, I'm kind of tired today. Only had one mate this morning. What's nice here, so this tool, this one, not the other one. So this doesn't have anything zipped yet. And actually the colors are switched. But you can click on these frames. Oh man, this is slow. Oh. Maps crashed my browser. Maps crashed my browser. Okay, guys, there was too much data in the maps. Oh, and error occurred. Oh, timber. Bye-bye, maps. Let's try again. Making. Yeah, you guys gotta buy our products, and we can. I don't know. I'm not CEO anymore. Rats. WebGL hit a snag. Oh, I know what happened. Stupid TensorFlow used all my GPU memory. So let's like zoom in here. Let's see this. Let's see this one. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's nice. Oh, let's see what this picture looks like. So you can click on this. Oh, look, and that's that frame. Wow, look, it's a picture of a San Francisco street. Let's see if we can line it up with the satellite imagery. It's the red one there. Oh, look, yeah, you can see it lines up well with the satellite imagery. Right there. It's pretty nice, right? Yeah. So that's it. All we have to talk about on today's Scopies. Trump used neon. I strongly doubt Trump used the neon. Let's do a few more. We'll do some questions. We'll do just random question time. That'll get us up to 30 minutes. Yo, yes, I need some RTX. Can anybody get me RTX 2080 Ti's? I'd buy some. Oh, when is eating stream? Oh, we do love eating stream. Wow, Tesla's down. I'm going to buy some Tesla stock. I'm buying big Tesla stock. Here's the scam. Here's what you do if you're Elon, right? Allegations, crash Tesla price, be barred from, so okay. No. Elon's not going to jail. But here's some Elon level thinking here. Here's an idea. Elon gets barred from serving as an officer in a public company. He's kicked out of being CEO of Tesla. The share price plummets. Then he gets the Saudis to buy Tesla and to take Tesla private. And then he comes back on as CEO and the share price goes back up. Good scam, right? Take that, SEC. Is there a fight between... I don't know, man. Oh, politics is for losers. Maps release ETA. Soon TM. That's actually an amazing plan, right? See, that's what I'd be doing. Hey, right? What else we got? We got good questions. You're a PHP programmer. Bro, no one's coded in PHP since 2004. And Facebook. Ugh. Facebook got hacked! I hate Facebook and I hate Google. I used to hate Google less. I've hated Facebook ever since I quit. Where's Twitch? No, we're not doing Twitches anymore. I don't know. Stoplight detection. Yeah, someday. Tesla hasn't shipped it yet either, guys. If you live in a country where you have to pay taxes, you should lobby your government. Rust? Bro, what would I do with Rust? We code in one line. We really just code in Python here. You code Python. FCW and, it's Schiffer, the app. Okay, guys, real news. We took pandas off of Amazon. The Schiffer app is never going to be updated. Sorry. Did I make the PS3 jailbreak? We're definitely not talking about that. React developers, I don't know. Apply. I don't deal with this anymore. I do research. I show you these cute little things. Can I work at comma.ai? You can apply.
when I did it, it was like, give me a job at comma.ai because I like people to like really think about what they're doing. But maybe the new administration will change it to careers at comma.ai or admin or careers. That's the word. That's like the politically correct euphemism for the 2.5 years you're going to spend, right? Yeah, you got to know things, right? That's the old regime. I don't know about the new regime, man. Can you go somewhere to learn more about Big Model? Yeah, check out Exception. Check out the paper. It's just that. Thoughts on Golang? I think it's disgustingly verbose. I like Haskell. The problem with Haskell is that those people have they value mathematical purity more than working programs. They value working programs, but like mathematical purity and then working programs. Have you met the new CEO? Yeah, it's Ricardo. You've met him. Hello?
Hello.
Oh, yo, what up? I'm on the Periscope.
Nice.
My thoughts on the Carter 5 is pretty good. It's pretty good. It's alright. I haven't listened to the whole thing yet. I wouldn't say it's like kamikaze mind-blowing, but I'm decently happy with it. What do I think of Solid? What is Solid? Wait. You are PHP program. I know that scam. You're lying to me. Solid. Oh. Single responsibility, open, close. I don't know what any of that means. Check out destroyallsoftware.com. They have some pretty good paradigms. This seems like, I don't know, Likov substitution principle. It seems needlessly complex. Okay, you're banned. You're banned. You're just banned. You're just banned. I'm gonna put Big Model on your Roomba. No, Roomba sucks. We don't use it anymore. Has it been 30 minutes yet? Let's see. 26 minutes. You guys got 4 more minutes for question. You do Java. What would I do with Java? Solid's #1 on Hacker News right now. Oh, well, let's see. Oh, Solid. Reshape the web as we know it. Let's explore Solid. Solid was created by the inventor of the World Wide Web. Okay, so first off, this concerns me here, right? This is appeal to authority, right? So, if you talk about fallacies. Okay, this concerns me as well. I don't want a programming language that empowers users. I don't even know what that means. This is for everyone. What does this mean? Okay. Build on Solid. This literally just looks like it's designed to be marketed. They got some influential guy to stick his name on it. This is complete BS. It's feel good marketing. This is for everyone. Right? How it works. You own your data. You decide where to store your data. You give people apps. When ICO? ICO now? I'm going to the Ethereum hackathon next weekend, guys. Okay, this is complete garbage. Let's see what Hacker News is saying about it. After reading what little... Okay, now what? Solid doesn't seem to work. Following instructions for how to authenticate my... Angular's alright. I don't know. I'm not up on the latest JavaScript frameworks. I use jQuery. You are bot. I know bot. Do the new comma.ai have new plans? Do I like Golang? No, I think it's insanely verbose. I like Rust. I like what they're trying to do. I think the concept of the way they do memory management with ownership is nice. But it's really hard to code in. It's hard to think about. Do I like C? No one likes C. I like Python. Oakland style slideshows on the Bay Bridge. I don't know what that means. Any ML resources recommendations? Bro, people ask me these kind of questions, I don't know, Google it. Pi make your life easy. Are you geohot? I don't know, man. Are you geohot? I am Secretariat. I do like pizza, that's true. All right. Thank you all for joining this Scopie. I will leave you with on research, on the next model to evaluate. No mobile game recommendations. Get off all mobile games. Oh, look at that. So that's how solid that model is. We are all geo-hot. That's right. What version of Python? Python 2. All toast. Yeah. Toast. No, they don't put no. All right. We'll take a minute to talk about this. Toast doesn't put butter on the toast. You have to put your own butter on the toast. And I went with a friend. You know, I'm the kind of person who mostly, for the most part, just like whatever, you know, they don't put butter on your toast, but that's their policy. You know, everyone has the right to conduct business their own way. But she asked, she's like, could you put butter on the toast? And the toast people said no, that it was against their policy. But they could bring us out softer butter. And they brought us out softer butter, and this made the whole thing worse. And then I went to another diner, and they had butter where it was 2 pieces of wax paper. Okay. Thoughts on migration to Python 3. Python 3 is the single greatest disaster in programming language history. Now, it sadly kind of is, but it has burned up probably over 1 million hours of developer time. And Python 3 is just a tragedy where nobody wins. I love butter on toast, too. You think comma need a C programmer to work with hardwares? Okay, you could apply. Give me a job at comma.ai. I do research. I don't work with hardwares. Okay, bye-bye, Scopies.